Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to rearrange or change column position for tablet and mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. So we are using Elementor plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our desktop layout. Now you see logo, menu and button. But we are going to rearrange it in tablet and mobile layout. We are going to change column position. Now first go to tablet. Now you see tablet portrait, so click on it. Now you see button, menu. So we are going to change menu column position with button column. Now select. Now you see edit container, so click on it and then click on advanced. And then in advanced you see order for tablet. This control will affect contain elements only. Now you see start and then you see custom option. So you can add your custom order also. So we are going to use and. Now you see column position change in tablet layout. So you can change any column position. Just click on edit container and then go to advanced. Now you see and then you see order. If you want you can use custom. So it's up to you. So you can add custom order. You can add number. Now go to mobile. Now you see this is a mobile layout looking good. You want to change button column position to menu column. Now select and then in advanced you see order, start and if you want you can add custom order. Now you see. So it's up to you. So you can set order position or if you want you can add custom number for different column in Elementor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.